To replace the 3 hall sensors, we'll have to kind of remove this silicone, white silicone. Okay, one by one. Okay, after you remove the glue, we will kind of lift these little legs here so we can cut them. Lift a little bit, all 3. And now we'll cut. So we will cut on halfway, all 3 legs. You see, separate all 3 legs halfway. Okay. Now we'll remove the hall sensor from the stator. See? Okay, you remove all 3. Now the 3 legs that stay on the board, these 3 legs here, we'll remove this sleeve from the top of. So you can do just by pulling with okay, let me show you. Once you remove this sleeve, it will be like this. After you remove these leaves, we'll straighten these pins. Yeah, get them evenly separate. Go to the next step. So the next step will be to clean the groove for the new hall sensor. Okay, remove all the old glue from there. So the next step will be to glue the hall sensor here. We'll add this. This is a Loctite high temperature glue gel. We'll add a little bit in that hole. And we'll position the hall sensor. Remember, this hall sensor has position. It has to be the flat face up on this kind of motor. You put it there. You see that the glue is squeezed a little bit. So now you have to leave it to dry. And let's keep going on the other ones. Okay, we position and glued all 3 hall sensors, and we use this tape kind of to hold in place, and it's a electronic high temperature tape, so it can stay here. So now we will bend these legs towards the other 3 already cut parts there, and we'll trim and solder them together. So we are aligning these pins with the other pins, and also we don't want this to be sticking up too much, so let's bring it down. Okay, really push down so there's no doubt. Okay, so the next step will be to trim this excess. Okay, so we'll get the snipper here and cut them. We'll trim them. And now we'll put them together and solder. So as you can see, they are pretty close together. We'll add flux here and solder them together. And with flux. And we'll solder now. So now all three pins are soldered, and we will add silicone glue on top of this to link the board to the stator here, so any vibration on that glue will absorb. Okay, we have the glue here. It's important to put this glue because, you know, vibration here can break this soldering. And okay, finish the stator, and let's assemble back again.